Hello everyone. So let's see how we have to download the app in Android as well as in iOS. So let's get started. For Android, you will go to Play Store and search for LNCT Guru. Once you search for it, this option will come, LNCT Guru. Click on that, install it, then open it. Once you open it, you will get this column, login or sign up. Put your mobile number and proceed securely. Once you proceed securely, you will get OTP on your that mobile number. Put that OTP and then verify OTP. Once the OTP is verified, this home screen will come. For iOS, you will go to App Store and you will search for My Institute. ये वाला आ जाएगा My Institute का. You will download it from here. Once you have downloaded, let's open it. Once we have opened it, this will come verify our ORG code. So we have our ORG code CRXRP. So I have put that ORG code here and I'll do verify. Once it is verified, this will come. Here you will put your mobile number and you will do proceed securely. Once it's proceeded securely, OTP will come on your that mobile number. Put that OTP here and do verify OTP. Once the OTP is verified, this home screen will come. Thank you.